Hey, I'm Mark and welcome to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to make guacamole. I love making this dip and everyone that eats it really loves it as well, so I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So I have 3 medium-sized to large avocados. I already took the seed out and peeled, and I'm just going to dump it right in the bowl. This is 3 teaspoons of dried oregano. It's 1 teaspoon of cumin. It's 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. This is a half a cup of diced scallions, or you can use regular onions, yellow onions, white onions, red onions, whatever you want. I chose scallions. These are 3 garlic cloves, minced up. You can use lemon juice or lime juice or both. This is 1 tablespoon each of lemon and lime juice. Now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to take my potato masher and I'm going to mash it up just to make sure that the avocado slices are broken down a bit. It doesn't have to be much. You can use a fork if you don't have a potato masher. Just like that. Sour cream, you can or cannot. It doesn't make a difference. I like to use sour cream. It just makes it a little lighter and wispier. This is 2 tablespoons of regular sour cream. Now that I have all that put together, I'm just going to use a hand mixer. Like I said, you can use a fork, but I have a hand mixer ready to go, and I'm sure my dog is going to bark as soon as I turn this on. There we go. You can mix as much as you want or as little as you want. It depends on the consistency that you want. If you want it a little clumpy, then don't mix it a lot or just use a fork. But we really like it creamy, and I think the scallions already gives it a nice little bit of some texture to it anyway. So that looks great. I have a beautiful little serving bowl right here. All right, I'm gonna give it a try. It is best if it goes in the refrigerator for about a half an hour before you try it, but I just want to give it a quick shot here. It is smooth and it is delicious. The flavors are really going to meld after about a half an hour. You can put as much or as little ingredients as you want to make it your own. This is just a nice base recipe. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.